Dronacharya, he is my student Arjuna. I will make you the greatest archer in the world. I promise you. Okay, Guruji.
He is a great guru. I want learn archery from this guru.
Who are you?
I am Ekalavya, the son of the chief of the Dingle tribes of Nishada.
A tribesman? Don't you know I teach only the princess? You can go back.
I will make Dronacharya's image and practice archery day and night.
Arjuna, today we are going to hunting in forest. Okay, Guruji.
Arjuna, here is an archer more skillful than you. He has shot arrows by the dog's mouth just by hearing its.
Who are you?
I am Ekalavya, the son of the chief of the jungle tribes of Nishada.
Have you shot these arrows at the dog mouth?
Yes, sir, I have.
Who is your guru?
I am your humble student, sir.
My student, when did I teach you?
I made a clay image of you and practice archery day and night.
But I promised to Arjuna. If you are my student, give me my Guru Dakshina.
I am ready to give anything you ask for me.
Then give me your right thumb.
Yes, Guruji. Moral of the story: always obey to teacher. Always be a good student. Thank you.
Thank you.